Sophie, with her curly brown hair and bright eyes, finds an old paintbrush in her art studio, and her excitement is clear as the warm sunlight fills the room. As Sophie dips the magic paintbrush into bright blue paint, the studio seems to shimmer with anticipation, and her eyes sparkle with wonder. Sophie's first strokes on the canvas come alive with vibrant colors, transforming her art studio into a place of magical creativity. With each brush stroke, the painting on the canvas leaps to life, turning the studio into a vibrant, magical garden full of fluttering butterflies. Sophie steps into the magical garden she created, surrounded by blooming flowers and playful butterflies, her joy evident as she explores her enchanted world. In the heart of the garden, Sophie discovers a hidden glade glowing with fireflies, adding a new layer of magic to her adventure. Back in her studio, Sophie completes her painting, now filled with fantastical creatures and shimmering colors, a testament to her magical journey. Sophie gently places the magic paintbrush back, the studio now infused with a lingering touch of enchantment from her wondrous adventure.